Have you noticed that walking doesn't feel as easy as it used to? Maybe your legs feel heavier. Maybe your balance feels a little less steady. Maybe your knees ache after a short walk. Or perhaps you're walking every day, but you're not feeling stronger. You're not feeling more stable, and you're wondering why. Here's something that may surprise you. For many adults over 50, the problem isn't that they're walking too little. The problem is that they're walking the wrong way. And most people don't even realize they're doing it. In fact, there is one common walking mistake that millions of adults make every single day. A mistake that can quietly increase stress on the knees, reduce balance, create tension in the hips, and make walking feel harder than it needs to be. The good news? It's often one of the easiest mistakes to fix. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. You'll learn checkmark, the walking mistake most people never notice, checkmark. Why it becomes more harmful after 50, checkmark. How it affects your balance and confidence, checkmark. A simple Tai Chi walking correction you can start today, checkmark. And a gentle practice you can use every day to walk with greater comfort and stability. Stay with me until the end, because the simple exercise we'll practice together may completely change how you think about walking. And remember, slow is not weak. Slow is powerful, especially after 50. Let's begin. The mistake most people make. When most people walk, they think walking is simply about moving forward. Step, step, step. As long as the body keeps moving, everything must be fine, right? Not exactly. One of the most common mistakes adults make after 50 is this. They rush their weight shift. They move the foot before the body is ready. Instead of allowing their body weight to transfer smoothly from one leg to the other, they hurry through the movement. At first, this seems harmless, but over time, this rushed weight shift can create several problems. The knees absorb more stress. The hips become tighter. The ankles work harder. And balance becomes less stable. Think about it this way. Imagine trying to stand on a moving boat. If your weight is constantly shifting too quickly, you'll feel unsteady. Walking works in a similar way. Every step requires a smooth transfer of body weight. When that transfer becomes rushed, your body loses efficiency. And after 50, efficiency matters more than speed. This is why many people say, "I walk every day, but I still feel unstable." Or, "My legs get tired so quickly." Or, "I feel nervous walking on uneven ground." The issue may not be your age. It may simply be how you're walking. Why this becomes a bigger problem after 50. As we age, our bodies naturally change. Muscle mass slowly decreases. Reaction time becomes slower. Joint flexibility may not be what it once was. Balance systems inside the body become more sensitive. This is completely normal. But because of these changes, small walking mistakes that didn't matter at 30 can become much more noticeable at 50, 60, and beyond. When you rush your weight shift, your body has less time to organize itself, less time to stabilize, less time to adjust. And that creates a feeling many people know well, the feeling of being slightly off balance. Not falling, not stumbling, just not feeling fully confident. And confidence matters. Because once people lose confidence while walking, they often begin moving less. They avoid longer walks. They avoid hills. They avoid activities they once enjoyed. And gradually, their mobility shrinks. But here's the encouraging news. Many adults discover that when they improve the quality of each step, their confidence begins returning. Not because they're stronger overnight, not because they're younger, but because they're moving more efficiently. And that's exactly where Tai Chi Walking can help. And in just a moment, I'll show you the simple 10-second balance test that reveals whether this walking mistake may be affecting you more than you realize. 10-second balance test. Before we continue, let's do a quick balance test together. Don't worry, this isn't a medical test. It's simply a gentle way to check your balance awareness. Stand near a wall, countertop, or sturdy chair if you need support. Now place your feet hip-width apart. Slowly shift your weight onto your left leg. Lift your right foot just an inch or two off the floor. Can you comfortably hold that position for 10 seconds? Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now switch sides. Shift your weight onto the right leg. Lift the left foot slightly and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. If one side felt noticeably harder, you're not alone. Many adults over 50 discover that one leg is stronger and more stable than the other. And that's exactly why learning to slow down your weight shift can be so valuable. Tai Chi Walking helps train both sides of the body to work together more smoothly. Over time, this may help improve balance, confidence, and overall walking stability. The Tai Chi Walking Correction. Now let's look at a simple correction. And don't worry, this isn't complicated. You don't need special equipment, you don't need a gym membership, and you certainly don't need to be an athlete. In Tai Chi Walking, we focus on one principle. Move your weight first, then move your foot. Let me say that again. Move your weight first, then move your foot. Most people do the opposite. They swing the foot forward quickly and hope their balance catches up. Tai Chi Walking teaches us to slow down, to become aware, to feel where our weight is. Let's try something together. Stand comfortably, feet about hip-width apart. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath in and breathe out gently. Now notice your weight. Is it evenly distributed? Or are you leaning slightly to one side? Without lifting either foot, slowly shift your weight onto your right leg. Not fast, not forced, just enough to feel your right leg supporting you. Pause. Notice how stable you feel. Now gently shift your weight back to center, and then onto the left leg. Pause again. This simple exercise teaches your body something important. Balance is not created by speed. Balance is created by control. And the more control you develop, the more confident your walking becomes. Walk with me. Let's practice a few Tai Chi walking steps together. Find a clear space. You only need a few feet. Stand tall. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Take a comfortable breath. Now shift your weight slowly onto your left leg. Feel your left leg supporting you. Only when you feel stable, gently lift the right foot. Move it forward a small distance. Place the heel down softly. Do not rush. Now slowly transfer your weight forward. Feel the movement. Notice the control. Notice the smoothness. Now repeat on the other side. Shift, pause, step, transfer. Shift, pause, step, transfer. That's it. No rushing, no forcing, no trying to walk quickly. Many people are surprised by how difficult slow walking feels at first. Why? Because slow walking reveals habits we normally don't notice. But that's also why it is so effective. The slower you move, the more information your body receives. The more information your body receives, the better your balance systems can improve. Imagine each step as a conversation between your brain and your body. The slower the conversation, the clearer the message. And over time, those messages help create steadier movement. Signs you're improving. Many people expect instant results, but real improvement often begins quietly. You may notice you feel more stable getting out of a chair. You feel more confident walking through a parking lot. You feel less nervous on uneven ground. Your steps begin feeling smoother. Your body feels more coordinated. And perhaps most importantly, you begin trusting your movement again. That trust matters, because fear of falling can sometimes become more limiting than physical weakness itself. When confidence returns, freedom often returns with it. Simple activities become easier, daily walks become more enjoyable, and movement becomes something to look forward to again. Remember, we're not trying to become perfect walkers. We're simply trying to become more aware walkers, more efficient walkers, more confident walkers. And those small improvements add up over time. So today, we discovered a walking mistake that many adults over 50 make every day: rushing the weight shift, moving before the body is ready. And we learned a simple Tai Chi walking principle: move your weight first, then move your foot. Simple, gentle, powerful. The beautiful thing about this practice is that you can begin today. Not next month, not next year, today. Even 5 minutes a day can help you become more aware of how you move. And over time, those small moments of awareness can create meaningful changes in balance, confidence, and mobility. If you enjoyed this practice, leave a comment below and tell me, have you ever noticed yourself rushing your steps? I'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like more gentle Tai Chi walking exercises designed specifically for adults over 50, be sure to subscribe. And remember, slow is not weak. Slow is powerful, especially after 50. Turn on the bell so we can continue walking together, one gentle step at a time. I'll see you in the next walk.